my channel. I'm so sorry that I'm uploading after so many days. I was very busy with my exams and I literally got no time to film anything. On to today's video, this is a very simple glam look for this party season. You guys will be shook when you'll see how I did this look, because this is very easy and I think it's very appropriate for the party season, because it has, you know, it has the right amount of bling and pop of red on the lips, and I think this bold red lips just takes the whole look to the next level. But before starting off with the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and without any more delay, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by using the luxurious Adore Gold Aurum. This serum has gold flakes in it, and I'll tell you what, this serum has helped my skin a lot. This has a really good lemongrass fragrance to it, and few days back I was having really bad textured skin, but I was using this regularly and I saw a tremendous difference and my skin feels better now. So I'll be linking the brand in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. For the primer, I'm going to use the Pack Pore Primer, and I'm going to apply it where I have pores, basically around my nose and on my chin, and also a little bit on my forehead. But I did take a lot of it, so I had to spread it all over my face. So anyways, I'm here just spreading it all over my face. So for the foundation, I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade 322. I'm going to use a brush to spread it all over my face because this does not have a pump. So this is what I like to do. And later on, I am going to blend my foundation using the Glamaroma marble makeup sponge. This sponge is really good, you guys. It is super soft, very reasonable, and you know, it's really good for its price. Then it blends everything so seamlessly. I'll be linking the brand in the description box below, so if you guys want to purchase this, you can definitely go ahead and hit the link in my description box. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows the usual way. So here I'm just combing out my brows, and then I'm going to use a brown and black eyeshadow mixed in together. I'm going to fill in my brows. For the concealer, next I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to apply this under my eyes, a little bit on my nose where I have some freckles, and also on the dark spots and blemishes that I have on my face, just to cover that. And I'm going to use the same beauty sponge and I'm going to blend it out. Next, to set the concealed areas, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and just setting my face. For the eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Tartelette in Bloom palette by Tarte Cosmetics. I'm going to take this light brown shade, which is going to act as a transition shade. I'm going to buff this on my crease and just defining my eyes a little. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye as well. Taking a more pinkier nude shade, I'm going to apply it all over my eyes. This has a really soft effect on the eyes. Next, taking the Glamaroma palette, I'm going to use this highlighter to highlight my brow bone, and I'm also going to use the same highlighter to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. This highlighter is very pigmented and it's blinding AF. I also took the same highlighter and applied on the middle portion of the eyes so that it has a spotlight effect. I'm going to use my fingers for this, and you can definitely see how pigmented and beautiful this highlighter is. Again, I took the pinkier eyeshadow and just blended the edges. Next, I am going to curl my lashes, and for the mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favorite, the Lash Sensational, on my upper lashes. Next, for the false lashes, I applied the Kritie Cosmetics lashes in ANAYAH. To bronze up my face, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit to just add some depth and color back to my face. This has a really nice undertone to it. So now that I've used it, I now realize what the hype is all about. The undertone is so good. For the blush, I am again using the Glamaroma blush. This is again very pigmented, a beautiful shade and very reasonable. Again, everything will be listed in the description box below. And for the highlighter, using the same highlighter from the same company, I'm going to hit the highest points of my face, also a little bit above my brows, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and also on my chin.
That's good.
And for the setting mist, I'm going to use the PAC Micro Makeup Fixer something. It's really good, smells amazing. And for the lips, I'm going to use the Milani lipstick in the shade Confident, and just defining my line here. And that's it, you all. So that's it, you all. This is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, because you might have already seen this is such an easy look. And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.